Hello, my name is Jose Zuniga and I'm representing expertvillage.com. Well, we have to plant our vegetable garden. Do I want this to be an organic vegetable garden? Or do I want it to be just a traditional, normal vegetable garden? That is up to you. Ask yourself this question. Am I the type of person that I'm more into the healthier side, or a typical one will be fine with me? Taking care of that. Next step. What kind of vegetables do you enjoy? What kind of vegetables does your family enjoy? Perhaps your husband if you're married, or your wife, your children, your friends. Because after all, you have to plant and harvest what you enjoy. Remember, you're the one that's going to be doing the cooking. It's going to be great when you can just step out of your kitchen, grab a hold of a tomato, get a carrot, start cooking, prepare a salad. Also, you need to take in consideration that some of these vegetables do better in the spring or in the fall, so you have to take that in consideration. One thing that I've noticed, because I've happened to lived in a couple of states here in the United States, is that depending on the region, even though some of the vegetables do better in the fall, they'll be fine in the summer because the climate is what's going to help the vegetable grow. So if you live like in the West Coast, a lot of those vegetables that are more towards for the winter, for the fall, you'll be fine for them. We compile all this information. We're going to be ready to purchase everything that we need. Do you have a budget? Stay in your budget. And this is how we plan our vegetable garden.